Today we're going to talk about how to take photos of your car to upload to your profile. First of all, in your personal GetTransfer.com account, you can find several criteria for uploading photos. The pictured vehicle is your actual vehicle. The photo can be declined if the vehicle on it does not correspond to your given data. Other car motor, color or license plate, information about number of passenger seats and their luggage is not correct. The image shows your vehicle horizontally and in the foreground. No captions or company name, phone number and advertisements are depicted in the image. In case if a picture corresponds to each criterion, it will be accepted. Additional details that are highly recommended to avoid when taking a picture, but are not considered as a reason to decline it: people, animals, other vehicles, impurity and trash, personal belongings, added graphics. Here are some tips for your photos. The right light is extremely important. The best time to take pictures is 1 hour after sunrise and 1 hour before sunset, as it provides the best light for photographs. Sunlight gives warmth and texture to the image. Usually lighting makes it easier to balance the elements of the image. Make sure that your car is flawless. No scratches, dents, clean outside as well as inside the interior. It is enough to take 3-5 photos from different sides, also inside the cabin. If you catch the picture correctly, the image will be clearer and brighter. It is desirable to take a picture of a car above eye level or very low, to clearly display all the details of your car. If you have a car that you like, you will definitely want to take some memorable photos of it, photos that you can share with your friends, at work with colleagues, and even add to GetTransfer.com. For this you need to choose a location. If shooting on the street, it can be a smooth road, a good asphalt road with bright markings, on the background of a beautiful business center, airport, as well as against the background of nature, mountains, sea, trees, desert. The less details in the frame, the more advantageous your car will look in the photo. Scan the QR code or click the link in the video description to become a GetTransfer.com driver and start your own business today.